Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something that almost everyone has experienced at some point in their lives: headaches. Headaches can be caused by a variety of factors, including stress, dehydration, lack of sleep, or even staring at a computer screen for too long. But don't worry, I've got some simple tips and tricks that can help you overcome your headache in no time. Tip #1: drink plenty of water. One of the most common causes of headaches is dehydration. So if you're feeling a headache coming on, try drinking a glass or two of water. This can help alleviate the symptoms and even prevent headaches from occurring in the first place. Tip #2: take a break. If you've been staring at a computer screen or reading for an extended period, take a break. Close your eyes for a few minutes and try to relax. Taking a break from the source of your headache can give your eyes and brain some much-needed rest and help relieve the tension that's causing the headache. Tip #3: use a cold compress. If you're experiencing a headache that's caused by tension, using a cold compress can help. Place a cold compress, such as a bag of frozen peas or a cold washcloth, on your forehead for a few minutes. This can help reduce inflammation and ease the pain. Tip #4: practice relaxation techniques. Relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or meditation can help alleviate stress and tension that may be causing your headache. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Repeat this for a few minutes until you feel more relaxed. Tip #5: consider over-the-counter medications. If your headache is severe and none of the above tips have helped, you may want to consider taking an over-the-counter pain reliever such as aspirin or ibuprofen. Always follow the recommended dosage and speak to a doctor if you have any concerns. So those were my tips and tricks for overcoming headaches. Remember, prevention is key, so try to identify the cause of your headache and take steps to prevent it from occurring in the first place. And if all else fails, don't hesitate to seek medical advice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tricks.